Welcome to Vysda's own unique dashboard editor, Vysboard. At this point, you are ready with a dataset you want to visualize and have arrived at a clean workspace. You'll notice Vysda has already created your first tab, which is named after your project. Each tab represents a separate dashboard that you're creating. A good way to jump right in is to create a grid of your data by clicking this icon. This is a very handy workflow tool that allows you to create a quick reference of the data you're working with. Simply click the topmost field, click the Add All arrow, and click Save. Now you have a reference table of your entire dataset complete with pagination for sets over 100 rows. Note that visualizations are contained within a freeform container that can be moved around the dashboard and resized. Each visualization also has an edit and delete action in the top right corner of their container. Looking over this standard data set of sales, it's difficult to see at a glance what over 30,000 lines of data are trying to tell me about the sales of geraniums nationwide. Since this data has been collected across the United States, a good visualization to start with might be a map. Let's try creating a map to better understand this data. Define what area your map covers in the first tab of the Map tool. In the second tab, define what part of the data you want to understand better and how. In this example, the labels will be by state, measuring the amount of sales in each state, and it'll be the sum total of sales. The other tabs, Layout, Format, and Legend, allow you to format the look of the map. For now, we'll leave the map at the default style and click Save. This map displays divided geographical regions with a color progression relating to a data variable. In this case, the data variable is total amount of sales, which was taken from this column in our data. The lightest blue indicates states with the lowest amount of sales, and the darkest blue indicates the states with the highest amount of sales. Hovering over a specific state will display the exact number of total sales. At a glance, we can now tell which states are leading in the amount of sales, like California, and which states have low numbers, like much of the Midwest. At this point, let's say I've decided I like how my map looks showing total nationwide sales, and I want to post just that map to share on Vysda. I simply click the share icon in the upper right corner of the map container, write a descriptive title for my post, and click share. Your post will now appear in Vysda's Explore pages and on your followers' news feeds. Let's save. And then click the Vysda icon to return to our homepage. After making a post, your new post will immediately show up first in your newsfeed. Note that edit and delete actions are located here for every post you create. For more tutorials and further information about Vysboard, please visit our support site.